we applied with the city of Claremont to do historic renovations to the house, and it all falls under what's called the Mills Act.
The assistance that Joey brought, even before we had purchased the house.
Joey is a great communicator and listener, so he's always been very patient and careful to hear what our needs are, what our desires are. We love it. It's hard to believe what it looked like before. We have to remind ourselves, looking at our own before-after pictures. I mean, the contrast is so stark. The way the wood flooring transitions seamlessly into the terrazzo tile. That's one of my favorite pieces of.
Yeah, and it's something I don't think it turns out it's not a standard way of doing things, and I think because Joey, I think of the people that he has and his attention to making sure that it's what we're looking for, it turned out to be just exceptional, the transitions and the way that they had to be, because the logistics and the precision at which some of the floors have to be laid, the way that he was able to execute those were